Hey guys, welcome back to the channel McNallie Money, home of all things stock, investment, and personal finance related. In today's video, we're going to be providing an update on Golden Grail Beverages. This is a company we've been covering for quite some time on the channel, and they just came out with a big announcement in this morning's press release. Now, before we get into that, please take a second, hit the like button, you guys. It's 100% free to do. It's a huge help to myself and the channel. If you're not already subscribed, McNallie Money, feel free to join. We just crossed the 43,000 subscriber milestone, and we'd love to have you as part of the community. And finally, leave a comment in the section below. Let me know if you're currently holding shares of Golden Grail, your outlook on the beverage sector, and your thoughts on this company in relation to their peers in this space. Now, with that being said, let's get into today's video. Okay guys, so that's right. Today's video, we're going to be providing an update on Golden Grail Technology Corp, or Golden Grail Beverages, trades on the OTC in the United States under the ticker symbol GOGY. Now, this is one that we've followed quite a bit over the last few years. Obviously, in the beverage sector, this area of the market has been traditionally known for huge performing stocks. Think of Monster beverages, you guys. Obviously, Prime Hydration is now the flavor of the month, no pun intended. But beverages and investing in beverage stocks has traditionally been a very exciting area of the market. And that's why this story of Golden Grail and their acquisition, growth, and distribution has really struck a chord on my channel. Now, as you can see, currently down just north of 0.5% on the session, currently trading hands at 21 cents US. This is as of Wednesday, April 17th. And what's interesting about Golden Grail Technology is despite all of the updates, news, marketing, branding, packaging, product launches, and distribution updates, they're essentially trading at the same price they were 6 months ago. So if you look back to October 27th of last year, trading at 20 cents US, fast forward to today, we're trading at 21 cents. Now, we did see a local high at the start of January of about 34 cents US. And interestingly enough, on the topic of news, this is exactly what we're going to be covering in today's video, talking about Golden Grail Beverages launching the new Coswater in a 16-ounce can. Now, before I jump over to that article, you'll remember our last video featured the new truck from Spider Energy Drink that was focused on the Southern Florida market. So really building on the back of that momentum we saw a couple of months ago. Now, if we open up this most recent press release, you can see just came out this morning, Wednesday, April 17th at 6:30 a.m. Golden Grail Beverages announces launch of Coswater in a 16-ounce can. Now, we're going to take a look at Coswater in a second. This is actually a look at that new 16-ounce can. You can see available on the corporate website, 12 units for the price tag of $23.99, so very competitively priced. And the added benefit not only of consuming purified water with the addition of minerals and electrolytes, but you're also benefiting from the fact that Coswater comes in an aluminum can, which is very easy to be recycled and takes the place of traditional water bottles that are constantly being disposed and adding to pollution problems around the world. Now, we'll jump back to the beverages and their portfolio in a second here, but if we look at the press release in a little bit more detail, you can see they're thrilled to announce, again, the eco-friendly product launch of Coswater in a 16-ounce can in response to the growing consumer demand for a sustainable, health-conscious hydration option, again, avoiding that plastic or water bottle concern. Now, the company also intends to invest in several additional product runs to ensure that Coswater will be widely available in May of this year to really open up the floodgates for summer. And they're going to be utilizing their existing nationwide distribution and Amazon.com presence to really ensure this product can get out into the hands of consumers. Now, I mentioned earlier that Coswater is infused with essential electrolytes and minerals to really help people ensure they're meeting their hydration needs and moving towards a healthier lifestyle. But where it gets really interesting is the global recycling rate for plastic bottles is actually below 50%, with a fraction being repurposed into new bottles. So most of that plastic actually ends up either in the ocean or landfills or garbages. Whereas in contrast to that, aluminum stands as a beacon of recyclability. It's actually known for how well it can be recycled and has a recycling rate exceeding 60% globally. So it's actually cheaper to recycle aluminum than to create new aluminum cans. And you can see in some of the most efficient regions in the world, the recycling rate on aluminum is in excess of 90%. So a very timely announcement going into the spring and summer months. They've already got the distribution and production sorted out. A great way to stay hydrated in those warmer months, and a product that you can feel good about in terms of its impact on the environment. And I should add that the Coswater 16-ounce can is currently out of stock or pending a restock on the platform itself, but you are able to find a variety of the other brands under the Golden Grail portfolio stocked and available for purchase through the corporate website. Now, speaking of the various brands, Golden Grail has really made a name for itself for going out, finding, acquiring, and optimizing existing beverage brands. And since they were founded in 1985 under Golden Grail Technology Corp, now doing business as Golden Grail Beverages, they've had a long-standing history of acquiring these brands and creating a compelling value proposition for investors. So if you take a look at the portfolio today, it's really come a long way even since I've started covering Golden Grail, and they have products now in virtually every beverage category, including energy drinks, water and water bottle alternatives, of course, with Coswater, along with infused water in the Trevi Essence brand, the Sketch Can offering or Tickle Water for teens or tweens, and even a hemp-infused energy drink under the Scorpion Energy umbrella. Now, as mentioned earlier in the video, Golden Grail Beverages has been putting out a ton of news and press releases over the last few months, so I'd encourage you guys to check out this portion of their website as well. In specific, the Coswater section, you can learn a little bit more about how beneficial the switch to aluminum is for the planet, with a number of articles available on the website itself, not only for Coswater, but for the other brands under Golden Grail's portfolio as well. Now, for those reasons, you guys, I'd be super curious to hear your thoughts in the comments section below, specifically if you're already holding shares of Golden Grail, along with your outlook on the beverage category itself. If you're still watching the video at this point, hopefully you found some value, so make sure you hit the like button. And if you're not currently subscribed to the channel, McNallie Money, feel free to join. We'd love to have you as part of the community. That's all for now, and we'll see you in our next video.